Are you looking for a quick and easy way to make tender, juicy tilapia right in your oven? This recipe delivers perfectly baked tilapia with a burst of flavor in every bite. No more dry fish. This one is packed with moist and spices that will leave your taste bud craving for more. Ensure you watch till the end. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Come closer, let me take you through step by step on how I achieved my oven baked tilapia. So in this, I got this tilapia from the store, and they've already taken off the scales, and they've already taken off the feces in the belly. And so what I did was to take off the grills as I'm doing so, and also I went further to take off the fins. I used my scissors to cut off the fins, and I went straight to wash this thoroughly with salt and lemon just to take off that fishy taste. And then, so for the sauce, I'll be using chamber, habanero pepper, 3 tomatoes, yellow bell pepper, parsley leaf, spring onion, and my ginger and pepper paste. I've already washed it and I cut it into small sizes for easy blending. I transfer it to my blending bowl and I covered it up to blend. I moved this to my motor base and then I went on to blend. At this point, I've blended to a limit. Now I'm adding in my ginger and garlic paste. I cover it up and continue to blend. So right now our tomato paste or our sauce mixture is ready. I've taken it off the motor base. Guys, before I went on to fry my sauce, I just finished washing my fish, so I'll go on to use my knife to cut through it like I'm doing so. So I did like 4 cuts in both sides. And I went on to use my paper towel to take off the excess water on it. Then after this, I went on to marinate with my salt. I rub the salt all over the body. Be gentle when doing this so that the bone doesn't injure you. And I make sure I rub the salt everywhere. After rubbing all the salt, I set it aside for it to keep marinating. Then straight to our sauce. On my pan, I added in my soya oil. I allow it to heat up a bit. I added in my onion, saute for it to cool before adding in my sauce mixture, the blended mixture. I added in, saute it, and go on to add in my thyme. Then I added in my curry powder. I added in my fish flavor. I added in my crayfish, my Maggi seasoning cube, and then salt. I saute, cover it up to continue to cook. I will ensure I turn this at intervals to avoid burning. I will cook it until all the water has dried up, and you can see the sauce should be like this. You can see the oil on top of the sauce. This shows that it's ready. I saute very well, turn off the heat and take it off the heat, and took some portion for my tilapia. So here also, when you've taken out the sauce, allow it to cool down. Don't use it immediately while it's still hot. Allow it to cool down before you start using it. So at this point, I'm rubbing in the sauce on the tilapia, making sure that the sauce enter every part of the tilapia, the cuts I made, and the holes, the belly, and everywhere, making sure the sauce reaches everywhere. Be generous with the sauce. So after rubbing in all my sauce, I'll set this aside. To my baking tray, I line it with my foil paper and then my parchment pepper. So I go on to add more sauce to the tilapia, and after that I garnished it with this. I added in the spring onion in the belly. This gives a wonderful taste. I added in my parsley leaf. I added in my lemon cuts. I sliced it this way and I added it in. This gives it a beautiful taste. If you have not tried this method, try this method. You will see the difference. And I went on to top up this lemon on top of this before wrapping it up. So one thing that lemon does is to take off that fishy smell, and it gives it that a little sour taste that makes it taste wonderful. So I go on to wrap it again with other foil pepper. This is to avoid the juicy that it will bring out from leaking out. So I have to wrap it 2 times. At this point, my oven has been on for 20 minutes now at 180 degrees Celsius. So I transfer this to my oven and I allow it to sit in the oven and bake for like 50 minutes before taking it out. So this is after 50 minutes. I took it off from the oven and let's see what our tilapia looks like. So at this point it has really cooked and you can see all the juice everywhere, and I like my tilapia a little bit dry. I like enjoying my tilapia a little bit dry, so I'm going to still put it back into the oven. If you like your tilapia this way, go on to enjoy it. Just spread some sauce on top of it and enjoy it. But I want mine to be a bit dry, so I went on to spread some of the sauce on top of it. After that, I will transfer it back to the oven this way, open this way, and allow it to sit for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, this is what our tilapia looks like, and it was ready. Can you see all that and the juice? So I went on to transfer it to my serving tray. When I was transferring this, I was so careful so that the feed doesn't scatter. So I used 2 spatulas to lift it up and transfer it to the serving tray, and I went on to position it like I'm doing so. And I didn't just serve it this way, of course, it's so boring, so I have to serve it with some toppings and some toppings. So see me pouring the juice on top of it just to give it that extra taste. So you can go on to still spread your sauce on top of it, so I don't need to spread it with the juice. That was enough for me. I went on to serve it with my fried plantain and my salad. So I went on to serve it. Guys, this was my Christmas delicacy. I didn't eat right. This was what I ate for my Christmas. So guys, our tilapia is ready. Go on to serve it with any drink of your choice and go on to enjoy. If you've watched to this point, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and let me know where you're watching from. Ensure you turn on the bell button so you get my notification when I drop a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye bye for now. Bye. God bless you.